Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for October 12th, 2015. And we're going to have a cold front that's going to be approaching for early tomorrow morning. And out ahead of it today, we're going to have some southerly, southwesterly winds that are going to keep temperatures very warm today. This will be the last day we have these temperatures this warm, at least in the next week here. We're going to be talking about temperatures that are going to be significantly lower for the middle of the week, and then even colder yet by the time we get to this weekend. Out ahead of this cold front, which is hard to see, aerial low pressure is sitting up here. Your cold front is actually situated out like this, and this cold front is moving eastward, so the southwesterly winds out ahead of it are going to bring in those warmer temperatures today. As we go a little bit further from this point here to the next frame, as we get into Monday evening, well, there you go. Now you can see where the cold front's showing up here. Here's your cold front here like this, and a area low pressure up to the top here, and of course out ahead of it we have the warmer temperatures. Those cold front is going to move in very early in the morning here. This is looking at the between midnight or after midnight, before dawn here. It's moving into western Pennsylvania, maybe even the western portions of central PA at this point, or western counties. And then you get into Tuesday morning here. Here is what's left of the cold front moving through here. Not a lot of precipitation with this, just a couple showers, and that's it. So this moves out for the afternoon, becoming partly sunny behind that. The wind's turning to the west or west-northwest. Here is a look at the NAM high-res future simulator radar. This is starting off at 5 a.m. Out in our central or western areas of central PA. We're getting some action here, just some widely scattered showers. Here's 8 o'clock. Here's 11 o'clock. You see, this is not very impressive at all. Just a few showers moving through here, mainly isolated further east here and more concentrated as we get into central PA overnight here, but this is really falling apart as this moves east here. Really nothing to speak of in terms of not really much fanfare. We're going to get, as soon as we get the showers out of the way, the skies are going to become partly sunny, and we're going to clear toward the end of the day as we get into later in the day on Tuesday. Getting a little bit further now, we're going to have Wednesday is going to be a partly cloudy day, and looks like Thursday is going to be a mostly sunny day with high pressure settling right over top of us. We're going to be much cooler. Temperatures will be back into the 60s for highs. Nothing too crazy. We're still talking about 60s for highs here, so it's not going to be like super cold or anything. Beginning of Friday, we're going to have another cold front come through here in association with this area of low pressure. Behind this one, though, is going to be a really cold shot of air, and this is going to be well below normal temperatures for this time of year. We're talking about the normal highs right now, generally in the mid 60s, maybe a little higher further south towards Philadelphia, maybe a little lower than that as you get up here in northeastern PA. But this one really means business. This one coming through here is going to follow this cold front through. Here's your cold front Friday with the area low pressure going to our north. Again, not a lot of precipitation with this. It's going to be Friday. Looks like Friday afternoon you get a chance of the showers moving through here, but again, behind that you get a real cold shot here with a high building in behind it. And here's a look at it. What we're looking at in terms of the anomalies. This is the 2-meter temperature anomalies for compared to normal. Big trough settling in behind this for the weekend here for both Saturday and Sunday, and these temperatures here are going to be somewhere in the 8 to 12 degrees below normal, maybe even 14, 15, 16 degrees below normal in some places up here further north, but in these little white spots here. But generally an 8 to 12 degrees below normal regime we're looking at for this weekend here. So that's going to be both Saturday and then again here on Sunday. Sunday is really going to be settling over top of us. We're going to have temperatures that are going to be stuck in the 50s this weekend across much of our coverage area here. And some places will receive their first freeze of the season. That is very likely this weekend. We'll get into more of those details as we get a little bit closer, but it looks like this weekend is going to be a very chilly one, unseasonably chilly for this time of year as we head into the second half of October. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for October 12th, 2015. Have a great Monday.